scoop tayo guys. So, fake order lang guys. Tas, 2 scoop guys. So, comment kayo guys example pa lang to guys. Example, may nagpa-scoop. Fake order 2 scoop. Okay. Pero, tapos na ako mag-sanitize skin na bago lang. And guys, kunin na ito. Sorry naman guys. Ano ba? Okay. Then, 2 scoop, diba? Okay. 1. Two. So 1, 2, 3. 3 lomo cards. 3 lomo cards. 3 lomo cards guys. Ito 3 Lomo cards skins. Fake order lang to guys. Walang real order. Paano ba yan? Kung mag real order ka, subscribe ka. Diba? Diba? So, ano to? 1 sticker. Cute guys. First time ko lang dito mag-scoop guys. So, tara. 1 cute sticker. Andito lang guys. So, again. Okay. So, 1 cute sticker. Ito yun guys. 1 cute sticker ko guys. Cute yan eh. So, yun lang guys. Goodbye.